Hello everyone, this is Gibson from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'll be showing you an exclusive 4-bedroom unit right here at Orange Grove Residences. Come, let's go! You'll be greeted by this spacious living room that comes with a longish layout. It's beautifully accented by cove lightings and beautiful marble flooring, with tall glass panel doors leading to the balcony that provides plenty of natural light. The dining space is seamlessly integrated on one side, easily fitting at least 6 guests. Now, the balcony provides a beautiful view of the surrounding greenery, with enough space to hold a lounge as well as a roof to shelter the balcony from the elements. This place is perfect for you to relax and unwind in the evening. Both the dry and wet kitchen are efficiently designed with plenty of cabinet storage. The U-shaped countertop of the dry kitchen makes it great for entertaining, while the door to the wet kitchen prevents the smoke and oil of heavy cooking from staining the rest of the common area. The junior rooms are good size with neat addition like full height windows and built-in wardrobes. Our master suite is lavish and feature-rich, easily fitting a king-size bed and comes attached with an ensuite that has its own built-in wardrobe. Orange Grove Residences is filled with amenities, including a gorgeous lap pool, gym, a clubhouse, and so much more. We're just a 10 minutes walk from Stevens MRT station on the Downtown Line and Thomson East Coast Line. With the entire Orchard shopping belt just a short drive away, you'll be absolutely spoiled when it comes to food and shopping options. Other alternatives include Newton Food Centre and Velocity at Novena Square. On the weekends, take a stroll at the world-renowned Singapore Botanic Garden for an evening surrounded by nature. There are also a range of prestigious schools nearby like Singapore Chinese Girls' School, St. Joseph's Institution, and Eaton House International School. If you are interested in this unit here at Orange Grove Residences, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Gibson from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division signing off.